The goal of this video is to show you how to solve a problem using the law of sign, the ambiguous case. We're going to define what is law of sign. Law of sign in trigonometry, the law of sign is an equation relating the length of side of an arbitrary triangle to the sine of its angle. The formula of law of sign is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Or the reciprocal of it is sine A over A is equal to sine B over B equals to sine C over C. Where the A, B, C are the sides of the triangle and the A, B, C are the opposite angles. We're going to define what is ambiguous case. Ambiguous case, when using the law of sign to solve triangle, there exists an ambiguous case where two separate triangles can be constructed. There are two different possible solutions to the triangle. In the given triangle ABC, the following condition would used to be fulfilled for the case to be ambiguous. Number 1, the following information know about triangle, the triangle SSA or side-side angle, where the angle A is not included angle. Number 2, the angle A is acute angle or A less than 90 degrees. The side A is shorter than the side B or A less than B. Number 4, the side A is longer than the altitude of the right angle triangle angle A and the hypotenuse B. There are facts to remember before solving a problem. If you have SSA or side-side angle and the given angle is acute, you may have 0, 1, or 2 possible triangles. If when using the law of sign, you get an equation where sine beta is greater than 1, there is no such triangle. If when using the law of sign, you get an equation where sine beta less than 1, find both the acute and obtuse angle in sine beta. And number 4, check to see if the obtuse angle is possible. The sum of the interior angle can be less than 180 degrees. If the obtuse angle is possible, there are two solutions. If the obtuse angle is not possible, there is one solution. I have a problem here to solve. We have triangle A, B, C with an angle A has a value of 55 and the opposite side is A has a value of 10 and the angle C has an opposite side of 11. The angle C is unknown and angle B is unknown. To get the angle B and C, we're going to use the formula side A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Side A has a value of 10 and sine A has a value of 55 degrees. Is equal to side C has a value of 11 and sine C is unknown. So we're going to get the sine C. To get the sine C, we will multiply, cross multiply. So 10 times sine C is equal to 11 times sine 55. To get the sine C, divide both sides by 10 so that 10 will cancel. Sine C is equal to 11 times sine 55 over 10. To get the sine C, we're going to use the calculator. 11 times sine 55 over divide by 10, we have answer 0.0.90 9010. Sine C is equal to 0.9010. Reverse the value of sine C. Shift sine is equal to 64. 64.29. Sine C has a new value of 64.29. We have the sine C. To get the sine or the angle C. To get the angle C, to get the angle B, we have angle 64.29. We have the angle C. So we're going to get the angle B. To get the angle B, we will add the angle A has a value of 55 degree plus the angle C has 64.29. We're going to use the calculator. 55 plus 64.29 is equal to 119.29, and we will subtract it to 180. Minus 180 has the answer is 60.71. If sine C is equal to 64.29, where sine B has an angle of 60.71. To get the other solution for sine C, we can convert it to other solution. To convert it, sine C, subtract sine C to 180. So 180 minus 64.29 is equal to 180 minus 64.29 is equal to 115.71. We have the new value of sine C. To get the other value of angle B, we were going to add again the sine A and sine B. So, sine C. So, sine A has a 55 plus the sine C has a new value of 115.71. It equals to 55 plus 115.71 is equal to 170.71. To get the sine B, we're going to subtract again to 180. So 180 minus 170.71 is equal to 9.29. So sine B. Conclusion. If sine A has a value of 55 and sine C has a value of 64.29, so sine B has a value of 60.71. And if sine A has a value of 55 and sine C has a value of 115.71, sine B will become 9.29.